Now when gluing up a cabinet, especially before the glue sets, it's important to make sure that this is square. There's a couple of ways to do it. The first is with a tape measure, going from corner to corner and checking the diagonal and seeing if they match up. And that's one way to do it. The hard part, as you can see here, it's not always easy to get a tape in there. There's a simpler method, and that's making a jig like this. Here's a shop tip from Wood Magazine to show you how to do this and how to use it. So I've always believed that marking is better than measuring. So here's a gauge that works really well for that. This is just a standard T-track and a little piece of material, in this case maple, to fit in the groove. On the opposite side of this, I've used epoxy to set a 1/4-20 bolt, and now I've got a little locking nut here. And I've got the same on the other side. And this has a point on it as well as the far side. So to use this, I'll extend one leg arbitrarily, put this up inside the corner on this side, and extend this one to match, and tighten the jig. And now by putting it in the opposite corner, it should fit, and this one is short, just about 1/4 of an inch. So what I really need to do is I need to now squish the long direction to form a perfect square. Once I do that, I'll come back and keep checking this with my marking gauge, and as soon as these two measurements are even, it's square and it's time to just let it cure.